गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. पुन्हा आपण प्रॉबिलिटी बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन मधले काही MCQ परत बघतोय जे MST CET 2021 ला इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. याच्यामध्ये इम्पॉर्टंट एक्झाम्पल आपण बघतोय. नाउ फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इफ x follows binomial distribution with 4p and probability of x equal to 0 is equal to 16 upon 81, then probability of x equal to 4. क्वेश्चन बघा काय दिलाय. probability of x equal to 0 दिलाय आणि probability of x equal to 4 विचारलाय. This is what x follows binomial distribution with 4p, that is n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4 is given and probability of x equal to 0 is given. That is I write from this nc0, this is just formula, ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. n is equal to 4 and x equal to 0 साठी दिला 4c0 p raised to 0 q raised to n minus 0, n is 4 is equal to 16 upon 81. That is 4c01, it is neglect, p raised to 0 neglect, q raised to 4, it is 16 upon 81. Therefore q is equal to taking square raised to 1 by 4, that is q is equal to just 2 by 3. q is equal to 2 by 3 and we know that p plus q is equal to 1, therefore implies p is equal to 1 by 3, that is p is equal to 1 minus q, it is 1 by 3, p is equal to 1 by 3. Now probability of x equal to 4, x equal to 4 ला विचारला, x equal to 4, 4c4 x equal to 4c4, p is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 raised to 4, 1 by 3 raised to 4, and then q raised to 4 minus 4, that is q as a 2 by 3 raised to 0. This is neglected, 4c4 again 1, it is 1, this is 1 again neglect, this 1 by 3 raised to 4, 1 by 3 raised to 4, it is 1 by 3 square, 9, 27, 81, 1 by 81. This here is 1 by 81. Yes, B option. Next example, if the mean and variance of the binomial distributions are 18 and 12 respectively, then value of n is equal to, that is mean is np, np is equal to 18 given, and variance npq for binomial distribution it is 12 given. What we have to calculate, it is np is equal to 18, just put in this 18 q is equal to 12 by 18, it is 2 by 3. Therefore q is equal to 2 by 3, therefore p is equal to 1 minus q, it is 1 by 3, no doubt 1 by 3. Put p is equal to 1 by 3 in this, याच्यामध्ये टाकतोय परत b, p is equal to 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 into 18, n is equal to just transfer, it is 54. B option, check. Example number 3. In a binomial distribution, the mean is 9 and standard deviation is root 6. Then the values of n and p are. Question बघा काय विचारला. Mean दिलाय. Mean as a 9. Therefore np is equal to, np is mean for binomial distribution. It is 9 given. हा 9 दिलाय. And standard deviation is root 6. Standard deviation is equal to root 6. हे given है. That is standard deviation means just square root of variance, that is I write variance of x is equal to npq is equal to, it is its square, that is 6. Variance is equal to 6, npq is equal to 6 and np is given 9, np is equal to 9, put in this we get, याच्यामध्ये मी टाकणार 9q is equal to 6, q is equal to 6 by 9, it is q is equal to 2 by 3. q is equal to 2 by 3 means p is equal to 1 minus q. p is equal to 1 minus q, it is 1 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3. p 1 by 3. Then the values of n and p are, these are the options where p is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 option असणारा एकच आहे बघा, a option. एकच option आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये p ची व्हॅल्यू 1 by 3 दिसते, that is a option directly. Now example number 4 for binomial distribution. which one is the correct, which one is the correct. That is, we know that in binomial distribution mean is equal to NP and variance is equal to NPQ, where Q is less than 1, where Q is Qची व्हॅल्यू बघा 0 लेस दॅन इक्वल टू 1 लेस दॅन, इट इज प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ फेल्युअर ही 0 आणि 1 मध्ये असते, म्हणजे 1 पेक्षा लेस नंबर ने याला मल्टिप्लाय केला तर हा मिळतोय, जे हा मोठा नंबर आहे. दॅट इज NP इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर दॅन NPQ. दॅट इज NP मीन्स मीन, इट इज मीन, it is variance, it is variance. Mean is greater than variance always. In binomial distribution mean is always greater than variance. कोणत्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये बघा इथे कळते आपल्याला, इथे मीन आहे तो 9 आहे, variance आहे तो 6 आहे. That is always mean is greater than variance. This is always true. Mean is greater than variance. Next example. The probability of a shooter, options are A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4 and 5. Now what is the question? Check kara. The probability of a shooter hitting a target is 3/4. That is, probability of hitting is 3/4. That is I right. So P is equal to 3/4. Therefore this is success. Therefore failure is what? Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus P, it is 1 minus 3/4. It is 1/4. Q is equal to 1/4. What is given? How many minimum number of times which are there? How many minimum number of times must he fire so that probability of hitting the target at least once is more than 0.99 असं दिलं. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे? n कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे. मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n, that is we have to calculate minimum value of n. What is given? So that the probability of hitting the target at least one, that is probability of at least one, कमीत कमी एक चालेल, that is x greater than or equal to 1 more than 0.99. It is greater than 0.99. 0.99 पेक्षा तो ग्रेटर पाहिजे असं दिला आहे क्वेश्चन. Now probability of x greater than or equal to 1, that is I write, this is given condition. ही condition है. This is given condition. Now probability of x greater than or equal to 1 means 1 minus probability of x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is greater than 0.99. 0.99. That is I write, that is this transfer 1 minus 0.99 is greater than probability of x equal to 0. Now this calculation 0.01 is greater than probability of x equal to 0. I write NC0, P raised to 0, Q raised to n minus 0. N minus 0. Probability of x equal to 0, NC0, P raised to 0, Q raised to n minus 0. That is I write this 0.NC0, it is NC0 always 1, neglected. P raised to 0 is equal to 3/4. 3/4 raised to 0 and Q is equal to 1/4. 1/4 raised to n. This is neglected, NC0 1, P raised to 0, that is again 1 neglected. Q is equal to 1/4, that is less than 0.01. I write this as a 1/4 raised to n. 1/4 raised to n less than, I write this 1/100. 1/100. That is I write 1/4 raised to n is less than 1/100. That is I write 4 raised, reverse of this, 4 raised to n is greater than 100. Reverse of this. Now what is our aim? Our aim is to find out n, minimum value of n. Minimum value of n काढायचे. आता कोणत्या n साठी हे पॉसिबल आहे बघूया. Minimum value n is equal to 0, it is not possible. N is equal to 1, 4 मिळेल. N is equal to 2, 4 raised to 2 16 male, n is equal to 3, 4 cube 64 male, n is equal to 4, 4 4s are 16, 4s are, yes, n is equal to 4 ला हे पॉसिबल आहे. when n is equal to 4, minimum n is equal to 4, minimum विचारला, minimum. There are so many values of satisfy this inequality, but minimum value is n is equal to 3 ला काय 64, n is equal to 3 ला पॉसिबल नाही आहे, therefore n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4 ला है minimum n is equal to 4 साठी हे satisfy होते हैं, therefore option is C. Example number 6. A coin is tossed 5 times. What is the probability of getting at least 3 heads? कमीत कमी 3 heads मिळण्याची probability काय असा क्वेश्चन विचारला. Experiment is what? A coin is tossed. That is probability of head occurs, it is 1 by 2. Also probability of tail is equal to 1 by 2. Both are same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore it is equality. Therefore probability of at least 3 heads सांगितलं. 0 head, 1 head, 2 head, 3 heads, 4 heads and 5 heads. आपल्याला काय क्वेश्चन विचारला? at least कमीत कमी 3 heads विचारला. at least 3 heads, that is at least 3 heads, 4 heads and 5 heads. That is, it is half. That is, half part of probability is here, half part is here. Because probability of success is same, failure is same, therefore 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Half part is here, half part is here. Therefore, at least 3 heads, that is here probability 1 by 2, here again 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus total probability always 1, therefore 1 by 2. A option. A option. Now next, example number 7. The probability of man hitting of target is 1 by 4. And he fires 7 times. What is the probability of his hitting of target at least twice? कमीत कमी 2 सांगितलं. That is probability of at least twice. I write P is equal to 1 by 4. P is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore Q is equal to 1 minus, it is 3 by 4. 1 minus P, it is 3 by 4. Now my next target is at least twice, probability of at least twice विचारला. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. At least twice विचारला, that is probability of x greater than or equal to 2. कमीत कमी 2, पुढचा कुठलाही चालेल, 7 पर्यंत चालेल, 2 3 4 5 6 7 पर्यंत चालेल. Probability of x greater than or equal to 2, that is at least twice. I write 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1. म्हणजे मी उलट रिवर्स क्वेश्चन करणार, 1 मधून मी तेवढे वजा करणार, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Now x equal 1 minus x equal to 0, x equal to 0, 7c0, p is equal to 1 by 4 raised to 0, q is equal to 3 by 4 raised to 7, plus x equal to 130, 7c1, p is equal to 1 by 4 raised to 1, q is equal to 3 by 4 raised to 6. Now this calculation I do this. A simple calculation, that is I write 7c01, it is neglected, this is neglected. I write is equal to 1 minus inside the bracket I write 3 by 4 raised to 7. That is first term. याच्यामधून काय ना 3 by 4 raised to 7. Second मध्ये 7c1 just 7 only. 1 by 4 I write 7 by 4 and this 3 by 4 raised to 6. Now this simplification I write is equal to 1 minus, that is 3 raised to 6 common, 3 raised to 6 common and 4 raised to 7 common, 3 raised to 6 common, 4 raised to 7 common. What is remaining here? 3 remaining, 4 raised to 7 common, this out, 3 raised to 6 out. Therefore 3 plus 7 only. 3 plus 7 10, 1 minus 10 into 3 raised to 6 upon 4 raised to 7. What is the denominator? Denominator of this calculation is 4 raised to 7. 4 raised to 7 is the denominator. Denominator is 4 raised to 7. And 4 raised to 7 means just I write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That type. That calculation is 16384. 4 raised to 7. 16384. That is 4 raised to 7. Now denominator is this. Now divided by 2 for this. याला 2 ने डिवाइड केलं तर काय मिळेल 2 8 जार 16 2 1 जार 2 2 9 and 2 2 जार 4 8192 डिनॉमिनेटरला 8192 असणार एकच ऑप्शन आहे 8192 डी ऑप्शन